So ayun mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, ayan, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So we have here the Realme Note 70. So we purchased this unit online. If by any chance you want to consider buying this Android phone, just click the yellow basket somewhere here sa video natin na magpa-pop up. And I'm not sure if sa left side corner or sa right side corner, but anywhere it will be popping up. Ayan. So, if by any chance naman, you can check the description box. Nandun naman po yung link kung saan namin nabili. Ito si ating Realme 70. Si Realme Note 70, sorry. Actually, this is new kasi parang nilagay lang nila, mas okay sana na hindi na lang nila nilagay ito, no? Pero yeah, I think this is just a sticker, hindi siya naka-emboss or anything or naka-print. So mas maganda siguro pinrint na lang din nila. I'm not sure, baka nagko-cross-cut sila ng expenses. So here is the quick specification. 6,300 mAh massive battery capacity, armor shell protection. This is 7.94 millimeter ultra slim. Ooh. And 300% ultra volume. So the one that we have is beach gold. So I'm excited to check this one kasi parang actually it looks like Vivo talaga. For me, at first nung nakita ko yung print niya dito, para na magkaroon kayo ng idea ng itsura niya, siguro I suggest, siguro mas okay sa akin dati nilang box, yung wala talagang print na ganito. I'm not sure, maybe this is just for, alam nyo na, aesthetic, pero hindi siya nakaka-aesthetic and hindi na ako excited makita yung unit, 'di ba? So yes, pero syempre bago may bibilhin yung unit, may idea ka na kung ano itsura niya. Pero for me, since I'm actually doing an unboxing, mas maganda siguro na hindi na lang sila naglagay ng sticker. Alright? So, going back, let's open this one up and check this inclusion of this Android phone. So, meron tayo dito, make it real na sulat. And then, this is the Android phone. Later on na natin yung i-check. Okay? Sa loob ng box, we have here, of course, di kayo magugulat kasi meron na tong case. So, of course, nandito si case, and we also have manuals in here and guidelines. Okay, balik lang natin siya, and then after that we also have power brick and then Type-C charging cord. Okay, nandito din si pin eject tool or pin ejector natin, as you can see. Medyo, pag hindi mo siya nakikita, pag hindi mo talaga titignan or susuriin mabuti yung box, hindi mo mapapansin na dito yung ating panundot. Okay, so let's put this one back. So, ito yung ating Realme. Slide lang natin yung plastic natin. Side by side muna tayo. Right corner, we have the power button and volume rocker. Bottom part, we have the earphone jack, microphone, speakers, and also charging port. Left side, left side corner mga sismars, we have here the SIM tray. And then sa upper corner, just is a plain static vibe. So, we have I'm not sure if this one is a notch or a punch hole. Later on, let's see if i-open na natin si unit. But this is the design of this Realme Note 70. Oo nga no. Okay, so, as you can see, hindi siya glossy finish. This is a matte finish na parang sandy yung kanyang effect. And if you're going to tilt the phone, ayan, as you can see, may sort of wave siyang effect. We have Realme brands in here, and then we have two lens. Para talaga siyang Vivo. Pero sa kanyang camera module, it look like an iPhone 11. Ibaba mo lang to para magkaroon siya ng nunal dito sa baba, no? Okay. Maganda yung finish niya. Actually, hindi siya prone sa mga scratches and also mga, alam mo ng fingerprints. So, open na natin to, and then real quick natin i-set up. Balikan ko kayo. So, ayan mga sismars, na set up na natin itong si ating Realme Note 70. As you can see, ito yung kanyang smoothness. So, this is just a quick unboxing. So, stay tuned sa ating full review and camera review with this Android phone. I know, ayan, maraming sabi pa nilang ako unboxing at hindi na nasusundan. ng full review and also camera review. But, yan, so I'll do my best again to, alam nyo, i-catch up yung mga hindi pa natin na camera review and also full review. So, this is T7250. The RAM that we have in here is, ayan, may option ka pala. Ayan siya. I'm not sure hindi kasi talaga ako fan na itong internal or expansion of RAM nila dito. So, the refresh rate that we have is 90 Hz yung kanyang refresh rate. But kahit na 90 Hz siya, di ba, ang bilis niya pa rin mga sis Mars. Okay, so quick tayo sa kanyang camera. So, ba't natumba itong aking mini alarm clock? What happened to you? Natumba siya, bre. Ay, ano ba yan? Natumba siya, ti. Ayun. Okay. Ay, natumba na naman si Mariko. Ayan. So, picture lang natin yan. And then, so, okay. So, front facing. Ayan. So far, yun lang naman yung ating unboxing with this Realme Note 7 III. Again, mga sis Mars, if you want to consider buying this, just check the yellow basket down below. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me also on my TikTok account, A_Malonzo or AYE_Malonzo. Thank you so much for watching and buyers.